Hey friends, if you wish to fix the error your computer may be sending automated queries, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to check for malware on your system. Search for MRT in the Windows search bar and open MRT. Okay, this will open the malware removal tool. Click on next, choose full scan, click on next and let it run through. The next solution will be to clear browser data. And how will you clear browser data? So open the Edge browser or Chrome or whichever browser you're facing this issue with. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select history. Click on this bin like symbol. Choose the time range as all time and select clear now. The next solution is to remove extensions from the browser. Click on these three dots at the top right corner and select extensions. Click on manage extensions. If you see any extension here, then you can disable them. Then you can reset the browser. So click on these three dots at the top right corner and then you can select settings. Go to reset settings, select restore settings to the default value and select reset. And the last solution is to restart the computer. Right click on the start button, select shutdown or sign out and finally restart the computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.